Lastly, we have the email field under the general fields. This field allows users to enter their email addresses. Also, it checks if the user has entered a valid email address on the front end. Here, in the field option, you get an option called Add Required Field Message. Here, you can type in the message you wish. You can also validate the email addresses as unique by enabling the option called Validate as Unique. So you can basically select this option to limit user input to the unique values only. Moving on, you can see an option called Enable Email Confirmation. So when you enable this option, a Confirm Email field option will be added in your form. Here, you also get an option to hide the labels or the sub-labels. Now, you can also pick allowed domains. So for example, if you wish to accept emails from the gmail.com, then you can include it in here. When you do this, email addresses with the Gmail domain will only be allowed in your form. Similarly, you can also choose denied domains. So here for example, we have added yahoo.com on the denied email, so emails from Yahoo will be denied. So if a user tries to fill in the form with a denied domain, a message will appear saying their form has not been submitted and the error has occurred. So in this manner, you can fill out other field options for the email field.